Hello princesses! Today I'm going to be doing my May Asian beauty haul. I am missing one package and it's out with the courier, but it's still not at my house and I don't have any other time to do this. So we're just going to have to go on without that package, and I may insert some really weird looking footage a little bit later on in the day when I do get the package, which hopefully I do, otherwise I'm going to be so annoyed. The package is from Yesstyle. So to start off with, I made a little reorder with Testerkorea. So with Testerkorea, I got the APIEU Personal Tone Foundation in the shade W01, as well as one of the Lamuqe tints. I originally bought two of the Lamuqe tints, and I can't say her name properly, I am so sorry, but one of them was out of stock. It took them, again, about a week to tell me that it was out of stock, even though I asked them if it was in stock, and they said, yes, we're ordering it from another site. And then they turned around and said, actually no, it's not available. Again, every single time I shop with Testerkorea, the same thing happens. And with Testerkorea as well, I purposefully bought with them first so that when it shipped a week later, it would probably ship with everything else. But it still took longer than everything else to get here. But it still got here on time, and it's not the last of the packages because Yesstyle is the last of the packages. But I am wearing this foundation today with copious amounts of yellow powder over the top because, spoilers, it's not warm toned. It's very light coloured, but I would consider it more neutral than I would warm, which is thoroughly disappointing. The next store that I shopped with was Beautyboxkorea, where I got these three items, again all APIEU because I'm doing a full face of APIEU makeup. I got another one of the Lamuqe collection. This is the colour Lip Stain in the shade BR01 Behind, which I haven't tried yet because I'm gonna go out and say that, but it's not my colour. Not my colour at all, but I got it because it's part of the collection. There's only 4 in her collection anyway, so I decided to just grab it. What the hell. So I will see how that looks fairly shortly, hopefully. I also got 1 out of the 5 APIEU Bono Bono Creamy Cheek-Chok blushes. This is in the shade VL05, which is super cute, and I have tried this one already in my full face of APIEU, and it does look really cute. It's a really beautiful, like, dusty lavender shade. It's quite unique and it does look really beautiful. I'm still trying to get 2 more out of the collection out of this so that hopefully I can review them. I just ordered them from Collection K, so I'm hoping that they actually ship rather than being refunded, but I don't know, it might not happen. You might get a review with only 3 of these, but look at how cute they are. They're so cute. The last thing I got was one of the APIEU 3D contouring kits. This is in the shade 1, which is Natural Warm, and these are really beautiful little contouring kits. There is a highlight, a light shading colour, and a dark shading colour as well, which is really cool. So they look like that. They have a really big mirror inside, which again is really good. And there is another colour and a highlighting kit in this collection too. From a store called Kosmeshop, I got one of the other Lamuqe tints. This one is the RD101, which is 1x1, and this is really pretty. It's kind of like an orangey red, but if you sheer it out a lot, it kind of goes like this really pretty, like, peachy color. I don't know, I've tried it once so far and I really like it. I don't usually like red oranges, but this is like beautiful. From a store called Cheek-Chok, which is a New Zealand beauty store, I got the Innisfree Orchid Skin Toner, which I absolutely love. I'm pretty much, I'm that much through it already, which is mostly halfway. I absolutely love this. It is a beautiful toner, and I have decanted some of it for like a travel size as well, which is why it's so far down. But it's a really lovely toner and I really like using it. I also got one of the Clio Kill Black waterproof liners. I got the brush liner from Cheek-Chok, but that is in the trash because it is already finished. Yeah, I'm disappointed too. If you guys can tell me why my Clio liner lasted 5 lines, I would love that. And yes, I have cleaned the tip, and yes, I stored it tip down, and yes, I did that little twisty thing with the cap where it lets out more ink, and it's still 5 times. 5. Not pleased. If you have any idea as to why that is, do let me know. From New Zealand other stores, I got the Mamonde Rose Water Toner. This is from one of the stores inside Atrium on Elliot. So if you are familiar with Auckland, it's behind like the Smith & Co's. It's It's that big mall. And they have a bunch of K-beauty and J-beauty stores in there, as well as clothing stores, which I absolutely love. And I got this toner, which again, I'm very far through because I decanted some of this into a travel size, and then I decanted some of this into a spray because I like it better as a mist. But this is a really beautiful toner. It is very rose scented. Like very, it's like sticking your face in a bowl of potpourri and really inhaling. But it is really good for oily skin or people who just want a little bit of hydration, but not if you like a lot of hydration like I do. And then from Sweet Korea, I got another one of the APIEU blushes. Like, these are so hard to find, and it's so annoying because so many stores have them in stock, but they don't actually have them in stock. They're just pretending to be in stock. So this is the shade CR05, which I'm not gonna like because it's bright orange, but I got it anyway because I'm committed. I also got a little sample size of the Sulfasu Overnight Vitalizing Mask EX, which I have been using and I quite like it actually. I don't know if I like it enough to pay the full price for it, but this is just like a little travel size and it does look nice. It's just, yeah, I don't know if it's quite worth what it's priced at. So it is a little later on in the day. I lost the contact lenses, lost half the lipstick, but I did get my Yesstyle box. For some obscure reason, it came in like a plastic lunch box. I don't know why. Inside the box, everything is bubble wrapped. I got a free gift with purchase, which is the ETUDE House Collagen eye patches, which I've tried and I don't like, so they're gonna go in like a pile for someone else. I got the Klairs Supple Preparation Unscented Toner, which I have really been wanting to try. Oh, why did they take these up? Because I really like the regular Supple Preparation Toner. Let's crack right into it now. So it has the same bottle, but it is clear. Mine is full of bubbles, probably from the courier. Oh, when you actually sniff it, it has a scent. It smells a lot like plastic or plasticine. I used to play with that as a kid. It's thinner than the regular preparation toner and it absorbs pretty quickly. Oh no, I prefer the scent to the other one. I guess this is better if you have sensitive skin or you're sensitive to fragrances, but it still does smell like something. It's just not actually scented. So that will be in a review pretty shortly, I think at the start of June. I also got the very last of my APIEU Colour Lip Stain Gels. These are the Lamuqe edition, and I still can't say her name even though I listen to every single video. Just can't pronounce it. I think it's the cute. Ooh, and that is a very pretty berry shade. So I will be swatching these probably today. The last thing that I got from Yesstyle are these Corgi socks because I needed to fill out the rest of my free shipping tier. I originally also had one of the, I can't remember the brand, but it's a True Care Moist Milk Oil. I think it's Innisfree. But that was what made this shipping so long. It had a 7 to 14 day wait, and after 14 days it still wasn't in stock, so I chose to be refunded, but the refund took like another 5 days. And then my order shipped, so all in all it's been quite some time. So I got these because I needed the free shipping. They have corgis on one side and corgi butts on the other side. The corgi butts actually have like little puffy bits of material coming out, so they're actually like little 3D butts. Are they super cute? So super cute. Are they necessary? No, but like corgi butts. Come on. Finally, from Roseroseshop, I got a bunch of stuff. Most of the stuff actually from Roseroseshop. So to start off with, I got the PERIPERA Airy Ink Velvet collection. This is the Spring 18 collection. Today I am wearing number 14 and number 15 in a small gradient. Number 14 is supposed to be pink, but it's not. And number 15 is supposed to be a dark plum, but it's not. What a surprise. So you can look forward to that. Also, the stickers are coming off the bottom. I don't know why. It's questionable. If the stickers fall off, I have 15 shades. I'm not going to be able to tell which ones are which very easily. I also got, on the recommendation of some subscribers, the ETUDE House Jung 2x Barrier Intensive Cream, which I might be pronouncing wrong, I'm not sure. This is actually a really lovely day cream. It's not heavy enough for me to use during the coldest months of winter, I think, because it's a bit lighter and it's a bit more like a gel consistency, but it is a really lovely cream nonetheless, and it's pretty inexpensive too. I got the cutest little mascara. This is the APIEU My Little Mascara Power Volume. It is like the tiniest little travel size mascara, but the wand is actually like a full-size wand. I don't know how it fits in there. It's fantastic. Well, I do. The bristles fold down, but you know what I mean. Really, really cute. Not the best mascara in the world, but really travel sized. Like, look at that. Just petite. I got 3 of the APIEU glitter Linercaras, which are the wrong way around. These are so cool. They are liquid liners as well as mascaras at the same time, so you can kind of see what that looks like there. There you go, you can kind of see it there. So there's the mascara and then there's the liner on top. There are 3 shades in this collection, a gold, and a rose gold. So you can look forward to seeing these demoed next week, but I do have the rose gold on my eyelids at the moment because they still make great liquid shadows. I got an APIEU brow pencil. This is the Edge Brow Pencil. I have the shade, I don't know, probably the darkest shade, and it is really nice, but it's still not the right shade. I really like my brow products to be like dark brown. It does have a spoolie on the end, and something that's really cool is that you can actually twist off this end part, and there's a sharpener in here. How cool is that? I didn't realize that did that until I was taking photos of it. I got one of the APIEU blushes. This is CR04, which is an interesting color. It's kind of like a dark bricky kind of red, which I haven't tried, so I'll see if I can get the other colors first before I start swatching them. I got the other contour and the highlight from the same collection of the APIEU 3D kits. These are really, really cute as well, and there will be a review on these coming shortly. I got the Mineral 100 Soft Skin Powder, which is just like a loose setting powder basically. It seems to be doing quite a good job actually. I'm not really sure, but yeah, just your standard translucent powder. And lastly from Roseroseshop, I also got the APIEU Moist Creamy Concealer in the shade 1 Frozen, which you guys recommended for me, and I'm so glad because look at the colour. It actually looks like such a good colour. I will definitely be reviewing this one because how could I not? So keep an eye out for this soon. So that is it for my beauty haul for the month of May. There were a lot of APIEU products and not much else, unfortunately, though I am hoping to do something a little bit different for the next month's beauty haul. Hopefully it's not just going to be K-beauty, but I'm going to have a little bit of Japanese beauty in there as well, if all things go well. But otherwise, I'm going to go wash this lip tint off my shirt because I got it on the bottom of my white fluffy sweater. I can't be trusted to have nice things. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!